Street food in Varanasi is a place where strangers become friends over shared plates and laughter. Namaste everyone. Today we are excited to take you on a flavorful journey through the streets of Varanasi. Varanasi is not only the spiritual capital of India but also paradise for food lovers. From the famous kachori sabzi served hot in the morning to the sweet delight of malayo in winters, every dish tells you a story. Have you ever tried Banarasi Pan? It's more than just a mouth freshener, it's a cultural symbol of the city. And don't forget the crispy tomato chaat, spicy golgappas and cooling lassi served in earthen pots. Each cuisine of Varanasi reflects tradition, devotion and warmth of its people. So, join us as we explore the unique taste of Varanasi, where food is not eaten but celebrated. As we stroll through the lanes of Varanasi, you'll notice something magical in winter. Malayo. This is a rare dessert, so light and frothy that people call it the cloud sweet. Malayo is created by exposing milk to winter dew, whipping it into froth, flavoring with saffron and cardamom, and serving it fresh in clay cups. Malayo can only be found between November and February. Its airy texture depends on the cloud and air, the morning dew, making it a fleeting treasure of the season. To taste Malayo is to taste Varanasi itself, sweet, spongy and unforgettable. As the sun rises over the holy city of Varanasi, the aroma of spices fills the air. This is the call of Kachori Sabzi, the breakfast that defines Banaras mornings. Kachori Sabzi is more than food. It is tradition. Crisp, golden kachoris paired with spicy tangy potato curry create a flavor that locals swear by. The kachori is stuffed with lentils and spices, then deep fried until crisp. It is served with a fiery potato tomato curry bursting with flavors of Banaras. वाह, स्वाद है बनारस। भैया आपका दुकान कितना साल पुराना है?
35 years.
35 years के तो बहुत है। अब दिन में मतलब कितना कचौड़ी सब्जी सेल कर लेते हैं?
जितना बना लेते हो उतना निकल।
नहीं मतलब एक एस्टिमेटेड वो बताइए।
वही 1.5 भगोना 1 भगोना जैसा हो वैसा।
अरे बाप रे। और मतलब सब एक कचौड़ी का कितना प्राइस है?
20 रुपीज।
20 रुपीज तो आप बहुत पैसा बना लेते होंगे।
No.
For Banarasis, kachori sabzi is not just a food. It is a way of living. Families, students and travelers all gather at stalls, sharing stories over steaming plates. Kachori sabzi is not just a meal. It is a heartbeat of Banaras morning. A tradition that continues to unite people, one plate at a time. In the heart of Banaras, tradition is wrapped in a betel leaf. This is Magad Pan, the flavor of hospitality, the symbol of culture and the pride of the city. ये दुकान कितनी साल पुरानी है?
100 साल।
100 साल?
जी।
सच्ची में इतना ज्यादा पुरानी दुकान है?
तब का 38 पीस वाली दुकान है ये 38 पीस है।
तो पान इतना फेमस क्यों है बनारस में?
काशी में वो लोग पान खाने के लिए आते हैं लोग।
Pan is deeply tied to the cultural fabric of Banaras. The famous Bollywood song "Khai Ke Pan Banaras Wala" is immortalized with this tradition. Pan is not just a mouth freshener; it is heritage, artistry, and an unforgettable taste. Every bite carries centuries of devotion. Every flavor tells the story of this eternal city. Banaras whispers through every taste, a timeless feast no one can replace.